Assalamu alaikum my dear students, my name is Imran and you are watching my YouTube channel. In today's video I am going to teach you about supposed to. What is supposed to? If you don't know about it, so don't worry, I would like to tell you. I have a very exciting video for you today. Supposed to is used to express expectation or obligation. Something that should happen or is expected to happen. So there are some examples of supposed to, such as I am supposed to go there. I am supposed to eat food. I am supposed to teach you English language course. I am supposed to help you. I am supposed to purchase a new mobile phone because I don't have a new mobile phone. I am supposed to wear new clothes because I don't have a new clothes. She is supposed to go there. She is supposed to learn English language course. She is supposed to help you. She is supposed to play video games on her mobile phone. She is supposed to purchase a new mobile phone. They are supposed to go there. They are supposed to complete this work on time. So these are some examples of supposed to what I have explained with you. If you have any question in your mind, so you can ask me, I would like to tell you. So on the other hand, we can use should instead of supposed to. For example, you should go there. You are supposed to go there. Both meanings are the same, so you can use both supposed to and should. It's up to you. So I hope you will like my video. You are supposed to subscribe to my channel. So please take care of yourself. Goodbye.